Welcome everyone, today I will show you how to do a simple 2D sketch in Autodesk Fusion 360 and all the basic tools that you need to know when doing 2D sketching. This is the part 1 of this video tutorial session, so we will go with only the basic tools in this part. This is the user interface of Adobe Fusion 360, and you can use your mouse to rotate the 3D view just like this so you can see the green dot, which is the center of the 3D universe. Furthermore, you can turn on the origin to see the 3-axis XYZ and the 3 planes XY/XZ/YZ. Also, you can turn on and off all these axis XYZ and the 3 planes whenever you want. So when you are doing a sketch, first of all you need to select one plane, so in this we will try to select the XY plane, which is the front plane of this 3D view. After selecting the plane you can go to Create, and then you need to select Create Sketch, then you will get this kind of grid view in your selected plane to grow your 2D sketch. In the 2D editor you can find different options to create, modify, add constraints, inspect, insert and select 2D sketches. Out of these options is the first part of this video series. This video will be only covering the tools that you can find in the Create option. The first two that you can find in the Create option is the line. You can use the line tool to create lines by selecting 2 points or by selecting only 1 point and defining the angle and the length of the line. You can always switch in between these parameters using the Tab key in your keyboard in order to enter the values. Once you enter the value for the parameter, that will be locked and it will no longer change when you move the mouse over the 2D plane. The second option that you can find in the Create option is Rectangle. It has 3 options to select: 2-point rectangle, 3-point rectangle and center point rectangle. Let's look at the 2-point rectangle first. In this tool you can select 2 points on the 2D plane to create a simple rectangle. Here the sides of the rectangle are always parallel to the perpendicular main axis of the 2D plane. Also you can enter the width and height values by selecting them using the Tab key. Next what we have is the 3-point rectangle, and here you can select 3 points on the 2D plane to create a rectangle. Main advantage of this tool is that you can create a rectangle in which the sides are not parallel to the main axis of the 2D plane. Then what we have is the center point rectangle, which can be used to create a rectangle over a center point. Here you can change the width and height values of the rectangle, but it will always be aligned with the center point. The third option that you can find in the Create option is Circle. It has 5 options to select. First tool is the Center Diameter Circle. Here you can select a center point and you can drag your mouse in order to define the diameter of the circle. Next we have is 2-point circle. You can select 2 points in the 2D plane in order to create a circle. The diameter of the circle will be the distance between the 2 points that you have selected. Next we have the 3-point circle, which is obviously the circumscribed circle creates when you select 3 points on the 2D plane. Then we have 2-tangent circle. Here you will need to have 2 lines which are needed to be the tangent of the circle, and after selecting those 2 lines you can specify the radius to create the circle. Finally we have 3-tangent circle. Here you will need 3 lines which are needed to be tangents in order to draw this specific circle. As the time permits, we will be covering the rest of the tools in our next part of our video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.